I found the secret way to grow my business organically using Instagram, and it is through DM automation. Now, have you ever been on someone's video and they say, comment this word or comment this word, and you do that, and then suddenly you get a message in your DMs, and you're like, whoa, how did they do that? Are they just like ninjas behind Instagram? It's through a tool called Go High Level. And basically, what happens is that you go into this tool and you can program it one keyword. For example, you can type GHL below, and immediately what's going to happen is that you're going to receive a message on that comment as well as a DM that's going to invite you to this tool and get it for 30 days. Now, when it comes to building your business, one of the things you want to do is you want to get engagement in your videos. You also want to please Instagram by not telling people to go to your page and click on something, don't say that phrase. And by using this tool, Go High Level, you're going to be able to program it to tell people what you want to tell them, lead them to what you want to lead to in the DM. Now, if you are brand new to this and you want help with this, one, I'm going to give you 30 days for free. Just comment GHL below. And then once you opt in, their team is going to help you to get started. Now you can just automate all the things with growing on Instagram and growing your business.